So I'm like, it's not the same.
Right.
When the kids get older, then yeah.
Is that the word for the big goat?
The little baby ones.
He ate your bread! How dare he?
They're cute little goats.
I know, they're so cute.
Look at this guy here.
Careful, sweetheart.
Yeah, they're horizontal. Horizontal people.
They always look possessed.
The horns.
Kevin.
Okay, let's see Kevin go down the...
No.
Come down the slide, Kevin.
Come on, sweetie.
Come on down. You can do it. You can do it, kid.
Oh, you're gonna go down the slide.
Let's see Kevin go down the slide. Woo! What a brave kid.
To climb up slides.
Yeah, I know. I used to like to do that too. It's a real challenge.
Silly. Look at the lizard. You see a lizard? Look.
Where? Where's the lizard?
There goes the
Whoa! I saw it go fast.
doggy. The doggy's gonna eat the lizard.
It's a big dog.
He went that way. He went bye-bye.
Watch your head. Getting taller.
Want to go on the bigger? The slide? Good dog. Want to sit here? Yeah? There you go. You put your feet there. Good boy. Here.
Is Mommy gonna get on the other side? Woohoo! Woohoo!
Good workout for me right before
Yeah.
bed.
Hey, Kevin! Is you and your mommy? That might make her have your baby brother or sister.
My legs hurt.
Oh, don't do it too much, honey.
I can't sit on it.
Here, get it of me doing it with him. Oh, he's tired of it now. Okay.
Well, you might get it.
Kevin, you want to do it with Grandma? Want your mommy to get a picture of Grandma and me? Grandma and me. Grandma and you? I'm okay.
I didn't even notice at first until you said grandma.
Whoa, he's coming down this one.
Yeah, so the last time we were here a couple weeks ago with all the kids, man, you can just imagine.
Oh, yeah.
They're all inside.
Crazy. Now he couldn't do
And
it.
like, you know, taking turns to go. That's a slippery
You
one.
okay? That was fast. Almost too fast.
Kevin núi 7.
Be careful, Kevin. Kevin, turn around. Be careful. Okay. Okay, Kevin, you go. You go, Kevin. You go. Go ahead. You can do it. Go on, I'll help you. Woo! Good boy. Woo! Good boy.
Kevin, no. Kevin. Kevin, no. No. Faccio di là.
Okay. Hi, sweetie. Hey! You gonna come down again? Come on down to Grandma. Come on down here. Here you go, Kevin. Giovanni. Who's Giovanni? Kevin? Oh, is he calling through there? Hi, Kevin.
Tata. Tata.
You can come down? Okay. You need help? You want to hold my finger? Okay. Woo! That really goes fast. I can see why you want help. That's too fast for a little kid.
Kevin, no,
No. You want to go on the horsey? No. You want to go on the horsey?
Ma che cadi tu? Ma sei, che cazzo lo fai? Che cadi, vai.
Hey, Kevin. Come this way, Kevin.
Più veloce?
You're being very careful.
Più veloce?
Good for you.
Più veloce, Sophie? Vieni.
You want some help from Grandpa?
Ah.
There you go. I know. He likes other kids. Oh, I don't know, Kevin. I think Grandma needs to be by you. Yeah. You're having fun, huh?